So where are the part-time opportunities for making a side hustle work for you? There are opportunities everywhere. You've probably heard of the book Acres of Diamonds by Russell Conwell. Yeah, that one, that actually book. Now, I won't really go into the full details here, but it's basically about a guy who sells up all of his stuff, goes to travel around the world to look for diamonds, yet the very person who bought his property, which he'd sold for a pittance, actually finds diamonds actually located on the property that he'd sold. So, what I'm trying to say here is a lot of the opportunities are right under our noses. They're right where we are right now. And if you did some hard questioning of yourself, do you think you could find some of those opportunities sitting on your bookshelf right now, on your desk, on your seat, where you are today? Yeah, you probably can, but you have to ask the hard questions first. Do I reject opportunities? Do I reject things just out of hand without even looking at them? That's the question you need to ask. So, ask yourself honestly, have you rejected any good ideas that have come to you recently on how to make extra income? And while you're at it, sit down and actually write down a list of things that you would love to do to run a business, or income opportunities that you would love to do either after you've come home from work or on the weekend. And write out those ideas now. You know, you don't have the luxury of waiting around to find a good opportunity when you no doubt have that talent, you have that brains, you have the impetus right now to start on whatever opportunity is that is ideal for you. Okay, the next part is the action step. First of all, have a look at this video over here, which will give you the very specifics on what makes an ideal business, logistically, financially, and something that works in well with you. And on this video over here, which is about 10K plus per month income side hustles that professional people do in order to make, in some cases, $1 million plus per year incomes. It can be inspiration for you that you do and you can think outside the 9 dots and come up with ideas that will work well for you. Thank you for watching this video. My name is David Newton. I look forward to seeing you again in these other videos. Bye for now.